I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install JavaScript on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, to get the software in Google search box, write there Node.js, then go on this Node.js org site. Then click on this Get Node.js. And here, this is for Windows MSI file is there. Click this. So here you can see the file is currently downloading. Version of Node.js is 24. Total size 31 MB. So this done. Simply you need to click on this MSI file, open, and this here Windows installer. So installation wizard that's come there. Click on next. I accept, next, next, and here next, and click on this install button. JS that's come from OpenJS Foundation. Click on yes button. So this here installing this Node.js inside the Windows operating system. So copying file, please wait while setup wizard install. And this is status updating component registration. Created the Node.js setup wizard that's done. Click on this finish. Then after if I go into this command prompt, and there you need to write node-v. Then you can get here version of the Node.js that I just installed. So 624 version that install. Thereafter, the next is here I'm going to run the JavaScript program. So this here, the first code is let's write there console.log. Right there, hello world that's going to print. Now Control S to save. This saving on the desktop. All files, right there, hello.js. So the file that's on this desktop that's saved there. Opening this place command prompt. And the file is in desktop, so that writing there cd desktop. So this not found, let's use there this folder, copying the location and pasting there. Now this is the exact location of the desktop. Using this cd desktop. Now let's use the CLS. If I write there dir, then you can see hello.js file is there. Now I'm going to run this file. So for this one, simply you need to write there node, then hello.js. Hello world, that's display. Now let's run the code on the web. So going back here, copying this and this here, pasting there. Control S to save. Now here, I'm going to include there dot dot dot. Control S to save. This is listening at this. So this you need to copy and Control S, and thereafter here again write there node. So this is now listening there. Simply you need to open the browser, paste this. So hello world dot dot dot. That's the display. So this is how we can install this Node.js on this Windows machine and run the code. So if you're going to install their Node.js, this will work with the JavaScript. Sorry, this is how we can run the or install the JavaScript on the Windows. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now in this video, it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.